Good morning, students. I welcome you all in my GK class. Today we are going to study about plant facts. So, you all open your page number 18 and 19 in your GK book. So, let's find out first what is carnivorous plants. Plants those derive their food and nutrients by trapping and eating animals or insects are called carnivorous plants. Carnivorous plants have adapted to grow in places where the soil is thin or poor in nutrients, especially nitrogen. Okay? Carnivorous plants are those plants who derive their foods from insects. Okay? They just trapped and they just grasp the nutrients from that insects, right? That's why they are called carnivorous plants. So let's find out which plant is this. You have to just think about it. You can see this plant has trapped an insect, and this one is known as Venus flytrap. The Venus flytrap is the most famous carnivores. The long leaves of it appear like flowers to attract insects. They fold quickly to capture the insect that sits on them. The leaf reopens when the trapped insect has been digested. A leaf rarely captures more than 3 insects in its lifetime. So you have to just find out the name of this plant. This one is the touch me not plant. The touch me not plant mainly found in Nagaland. It is known for its shy attributes. It has very shy nature. It is very sensitive, soft green leaflets. Whenever you touch it, it just folded itself. It lives close in response to touching, warming, blowing, and shaking. And this one is known as the Rafflesia. The Rafflesia is the world's largest flower. It is the world's largest flower, found in Malaysia and Indonesia. It is mainly found in Malaysia, Indonesia. It is about 1 meter wide, that is very big, and weighs up to 11 kg, and it's really weighty. Its leaves, roots, or stem cannot be seen. It smells like rotten meat, which attracts insects. And this one is the dancing plant. The dancing plant is also known as the telegraph plant. The plant is known for the up and down movement of its leaves, which seems as if the plant is dancing. Its dancing effort occurs in the sunlight. You can see that these plants are dancing, especially in the sunlight. And this one is photosynthesis. You have to find out what is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means photo, and photo means light. Used to make something process means whenever a plant makes their food in the presence of sunlight, that is called photosynthesis. You all can see that the leaves are making food in the presence of sunlight, and they are absorbing carbon dioxide, right? Plant need basic things to make food for themselves, that is sunlight, water, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, what is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is a green pigment or green color, that is called chlorophyll, that is found in the leaves of the plant. And carbon dioxide plants give out, and oxygen and water vapor, right? They just take carbon dioxide and give out oxygen and water vapor. This is known as photosynthesis. And what is this? This one is respiration process. What is respiration? Like other animals, plants also breathe. They also respire. Plants also need energy. The plants get energy through the process of respiration. Respiration helps the plants to use the food prepared by them as energy. In this process, plants take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide, right? And respiration in this process they just take oxygen from the outer environment, right, and give out carbon dioxide. This one is transpiration in plants. What is transpiration? Transpiration is the process where plants absorb water through the roots, right? They just absorb water with the help of their roots and then give off water vapor through pores in their leaves, right? It works like whenever they just take water from the inside, it helps the movement of minerals to the water in plants, and it water and minerals goes to the every part of the plant, and then the water just evaporates and it becomes vapor, right, and it helps the plants become cool and strong. So you all have to complete this exercise in your book. Here some question had given. You have to just you have to write the answers in your GK book. Name the part of the plant which contains its seeds. So fruit. Fruit is the part of the plant that contains seeds. Name the part of the plant which carries its food to other parts of the plant, that is stem. Stem is the part of the plant which carries its food to other parts of the plant. Name the part of the flowering plant which helps it grow in a new plant. This one is seed. Name the part of a plant which absorb water and nutrients. We have already discussed in respiration that roots absorbs water and nutrients. Okay. Name the part of the plant which help it to breathe. We all know that it's leaves. With the help of the pores of the leaves, they just take out carbon dioxide and just they give us oxygen. While doing respiration, they are just taking oxygen from the outside and they are giving CO2 to the outside. Okay. Now you have to homework in your GK copy. So the first question is, are all plants green? Name the part of a plant which helps it to breathe. What do the plant's leaves do? Where are the roots of a plant located? Which part of the plant makes food for the plant? Which part of the plant support the flower? What is the work of root? Name any fruit with many seeds. Name any fruit with one seed, right? You have to just complete these work in your GK copy and you have to take a picture of this and send it to me. So thank you for watching.